Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to explain how you can actually install the iOS 14 launcher in your Android device. So right now I did use the Realme X7 Pro as an example. So let's see friends how well the Realme X7 Pro can handle this iOS 14 launcher. So which recently I did install in this phone and it was pretty good the experience, and this particular launcher has got a lot of advantages. For example, you do get this kind of control panel exactly like the iPhone, and not only that, you do get this kind of lock screen and everything exactly like iPhone, as you can see. Even I am using the Realme X1 Pro, but still you do get this kind of iPhone feel. Everything works perfectly alright friends, and in this video I'll try to guide you what are the things you need to know before installing this one as well. And just in case if you are watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends Sai Tech Guru, and also to check the links in description for live wallpapers what I'm using in these videos. So there's special playlist which are created for each and every phone and playlist as well. So let's begin the iOS launcher 14 review friends, and the application which I am using is called iOS 12 launcher iOS 14. There will be multiple launchers on the same name, but try to search for this particular name, so which is called as you can see, these were developed by this studios. So try to search for this particular developer, then you will be able to find this application, so which has got all-in-one iOS 14 launcher. So normally in the iOS launchers I used to download the launcher, but later on again I need to download control center and lock screen and a lot of other things, but this was completely built in with the launcher, so that's a really good advantage. And even you do get this kind of animated clock which is neatly designed, as you can see, animated clock, so which gives you the real-time animated time as well on the icon. So that's another good advantage. And this application which I have used, and the application has got plenty of good ratings as well, so 4.6 star out of 10 million downloads. And the application size is of, I think, close to maybe let me try to quickly check the size, which I did not check before. So let me go to the storage, and the app size maybe 48 MB, as you can see. So this is app size, so 48 MB is the application size. So now let's begin friends. And first thing is that, as you can see, when you swipe to the left side, you will be seeing all this kind of options, so where you can enable the contacts. So if you call any contacts recently, those contacts will be appeared here, and location as well. If you give the permissions for the application, you'll get the real-time weather here. And you do get the recently opened applications on the top, as you can see, so which is another good advantage. And not only that, there is an additional advantage of adding the widgets. So if you swipe, so you'll get this kind of option, add widgets, and now you can add the widgets of your own. So that's another really good advantage. Just tap on that and you can select what type of weather widget you want. Let me try to select maybe this one, hello, to create, and the widget has been successfully created, as you can see friends. So in this way you can create the widgets on your smartphones. So as you can see, if you grant the permission for the location, then you will be able to see the real-time locations as well. So in this way you can add all the widgets for even third part, all the applications what you install in your phone. So that's another good thing. So these are the few advantages which you are having this side. And next is that when you swipe, you do get this kind of all search bar search option, so where you can search all the applications or all the contacts or all everything from your phone. So that's another good advantage here you do have when you do that. And if you do upside, you don't get any options, so that there's no options at all if you do the upside. So next, if you want to access the control center, you need to swipe from the right side, as you can see. Just tap on this notification and try to pull it down. You'll get this kind of iPhone type control center, so which is really interesting friends, which I particularly like, this kind of icons and everything, rounded shape. So I am very favorite for this one. And another reason is that I wish the iPhone could have released similar kind of punch hole phone maybe in the future, then that could have been really big hit. So this will definitely do the best job as well, having similar kind of iPhone experience. And not only that, you will get this kind of unread messages or even missed calls alerts. You'll get this kind of number. So if you get any WhatsApp messages, you will get this kind of in the count. That's exactly like the iPhone. It looks like the iPhone. So next, if you go to the settings, so iPhone 12 settings, you'll get all the options. Even you can hide the applications, app lock, wallpaper, the font size, font style, scroll effect, themes. There will be so many plenty of options, friends. And on the top of that, you do get this kind of assistant touch, so where you get multiple options you can choose from. You can go to the home screen, so and you can go to the notifications, devices, control center. You can access, as you can see, so recent options if you enable the permissions. So the couple of things you need to give the permissions for the applications to work good. So first thing is that you need to give the permission for the notifications. So if you go to the notifications, you try to give the permission for notification on the lock screen and everything. So let me try to quickly lock the phone, and let me try to unlock it. Right now I did use the Face ID, as you can see. I'm using the Face ID to scan, and it scanned, and it stays exactly in the lock screen. So you need to swipe again to the upwards to get this kind of animation. So let me try to swipe it upside. As you can see, friends, you do get that kind of feel, same like the iPhone, the same kind of animations. So that's a very good thing. So make sure to comment below, friends, what are your thoughts, and if you want me to try in any other smartphone, definitely I'll try that. And that's it, friends. It's a small review, and in the next video I'll try to demonstrate you more talking about other launchers as well, so which a lot of users, they are really interested in different launchers. So here I am using the different launcher, as you can see. So it looks fantastic, this kind of launchers. So I'll try to do a review on this one as well particularly. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos, and also do comment me in the description below, friends. So what videos you want me to do on the Realme X7 Pro, what are the problems you are having. So definitely I'll do my best to make a video on this particular phone. And recently I did receive the Realme UI 2.0 update in this phone, so I did a lot of videos on the Realme UI 2.0. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos, and thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye. Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to compare the annual benchmark test results between the Mi 10i versus the Redmi Note 10 Pro device. So let's see which phone will perform best.